Hi there, it's John here from Dick Hanna Honda with this week's Facebook tip. We're going to show you a couple of tricks on getting ready for the snow chain use, and a couple of things I recommend to make sure you're ready. Good warm gloves, keep your hands dry and warm, and a piece of cardboard to kneel on as you lay down in the ice. And before you go on your trip, make sure that you get your chains ready, because these little guys have zip ties in place to keep the packages open. And once we pull them out, we'll also have to cut the ties off of there to open them. So let's get over by the tire and we'll take a look. Okay, let's open up the bag. They do give you nice plastic gloves to help a little bit, but from personal experience they don't do much good. Instructions, in case you need to refer to those. And you're going to need your bungees. And then, once we have these out, it's a brand new set. You kind of see here where they break apart on the back side. This is so that you don't have to drive over the chains. The old style used to be like this and you drive over. Now these have the breakaway. So this breakaway is going to go on the back side, inside of the tire. You'll reach around the tire, and then it's an eyelet connection that goes in at an angle, then turns and locks. So it won't come out, and you won't be able to put it in and pull it straight through either. You have to be at an angle, turn and lock. Okay, now that's going to be behind the tire on the inside. Okay, so with that, let's put these babies on. Okay, so now back to these ends that we showed you a moment ago that lock together. So you're going to want to make that V go towards the tire. Okay, so they're going to be wide open. Slide them under the tire like so. You can either reach around on or back, whatever is more convenient for you. And I'm here to tell you, neither one is real convenient. And I don't have the benefit of a bunch of snow on the ground. And there it is, we're locked. So then we can come up and around. And these ones on the other side also twist and lock. Okay, then once the back side's locked, work our way around. Wiggle jiggle until we get around to the front. That's going to take a little working. Get them up tight. And once that one is there, another reason to wear gloves. So once you're there, you're going to work everything around, get it snug, make sure and get your bungees on there, and just start working your way around. Tight. Very tight, which is what you want. Keep them from slapping the fenders. There you go. You're on. Now you're ready to drive. Be safe.